Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with another wonderful video. Why you should raise local chicken to get rich. It's possible. You can raise local chicken and become a millionaire. Yes, it's possible. Do you want to get rich? Start with chicken. Start with chicken, not just chicken, local chicken. Raising local chicken is a smart path to wealth. They are hardy, need less care. They need less care and thrive with minimal investments. Their meat and eggs are high demand, especially in local markets with low startup costs and high returns. This is a perfect business for anyone who wants to grow rich from farming. Start small, grow big. Local chicken is your financial freedom. Yes. So, with local chicken, when you want to start local chicken farming, all what you need is a cock and then a hen. And how much does it cost you to start? You can start local chicken farming with very low capital. And do you know why it's, it's very easy to start? Local chicken, they can eat anything. They can eat from the remnant, from the leftover of your food, and they can eat guinea corn, just guinea corn. Look at my chicken, how they are enjoying their guinea corn, and they have good weight. So you can start local chicken farming with just one hen and one cock, and you are good to go. You don't need to prepare any special feed for them. This is what they have been eating, and they are still eating it, and they have good weight. What are they eating? Without mixing anything, just guinea corn. Local chicken, they are very easy to manage. You don't need to go and struggle and buy feed for them. All what you need to do is to feed them with guinea corn. Feed them with leftover. Some leftover, you just pour it for them and they will eat. Guinea corn, if you are a farmer especially, you can feed them with guinea corn. And this one now, I'm feeding them bitter leaves, and they so much love it. As you know, as you can see, local chicken, they eat anything. Someone may say, how about fruit? Look at this one, is feeding on a mango fruit. So with very low capital, you can start local chicken farming. And they don't need any special place for them to sleep. All what you need to do is to prepare or construct a local cage. Construct or prepare just a local cage for them. And this is also what we call free range farming. So with local chicken farming, you are on your way to becoming a millionaire. Wow. All what you need to do is to start. Take that bold step and become a millionaire in 2025. What are you waiting for? To some, they may even start this local chicken farming with zero capital, with no capital at all. How will you do that? A relative may decide to give you just a hen, and when you allow that hen to just be roaming over, it will meet with a cock, and of course that hen will start laying fertilized eggs, and it will surely hatch chicks. So if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe and join the great family. And what are you waiting for if you have not started poultry farming yet? As I said earlier, with just one hen and a cock, you are on your way to becoming a millionaire through local chicken farming. Through local chicken farming. So I have so many videos on my channel. This is the type of cage that you will need for a start. You can construct something that is more cheaper than this one. This is a local cage. So I want to encourage someone to start local chicken farming and get rid of poverty. All what you need to do is to take a bold step, prepare a local cage for your birds, and then get a hen and a cock, and you are on your way to becoming a millionaire. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and